Welcome. In front of me is an EMPORIA Smart 6, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. On one of the pages you should have a hotspot toggle. Or maybe not. So if you don't see your hotspot toggle, click right here on this pencil, and then you can swipe down below the hold and the drag to add a tile. And somewhere here we should, there we go, have our hotspot. So for me it's right over here. So like the message states, you want to hold it, it gets lifted up, the text above right here changes, so you can now drag it over to the top, drop it, and when you go back you now have access to your toggle. Once you find the toggle in the notification shade, the one that you pull down, hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Here you want to navigate to hotspot password, and you can see that by default this is some randomly generated password that you have no way of knowing what it is set to without actually navigating here. Now I do recommend just getting rid of it and setting up your own new password, which will need to have 8 characters in length, and that can be letters or numbers. I'm just using numbers alone. Anyway, click on OK to save the changes, and here you have also option to turn off hotspot automatically after like 10 minutes of an activity. This is enabled by default, and I do encourage you to keep that on, as it's a nice way to preserve your battery once you're done using hotspot. If you forget about it, it will typically, or if you turn that off, it's going to be running indefinitely in the background, and it does consume more of your phone's battery, so obviously it's just going to be wasting your phone's battery. Anyway, once everything is set, close this page, find the toggle once again, and simply tap on it. And now we can connect to your hotspot. Now, once you're done with it, you can also turn it off yourself without waiting for the timer. So you just tap on the toggle again to disable it. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.